how to find a nearby store and hours on Home Depot. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your Google Chrome, head over to the Home Depot website, and on the home page, you'll see search bar at the top. Tap on it and then search for stores. Search for it, and then you'll need to choose your location. So you can tap on use current location or tap on the map, and then you can see the stores near you. So you can see the distance and the opening and closing hours right there. So there you go. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.